Hello, everyone. Welcome to our little corner of health and happiness. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind snacks that not only taste amazing, but can also help you feel young and vibrant. Imagine biting into something so delicious that it makes you feel like you're turning back time. Yes, that's exactly what we're here to share. In today's video, we are counting down 8 special snack secrets that are perfect for seniors who want to keep their energy high and their spirits even higher. We know that as we grow older, our bodies need a little extra care and love. That's why I've put together a list of 8 simple, nutritious snacks that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also help boost your overall health. From snacks that keep your heart happy to those that are full of antioxidants for glowing skin, there's something here for everyone. And remember, if you enjoy these tips, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more friendly, health-boosting ideas. It's a small click that can make a big difference in your journey to a healthier, happier life. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive into the 8-bite secrets that could help you stay forever young. 8. The Crunchy Nut Mix. At number 8, we're starting with a delightful crunchy nut mix. Imagine a bowl filled with a colorful blend of almonds, walnuts, and cashews, each nut bringing its own special texture and flavor to the mix. These nuts are not only crunchy and satisfying, but are also packed with healthy fats and proteins that help keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Every bite gives you a small boost of energy while also supporting brain health and keeping your heart in good shape. Enjoy this mix on its own, or add it to your favorite salad or yogurt for an extra crunch. It's a simple, natural snack that combines taste with nutrition, perfect for when you need a quick, wholesome bite. 7. The Berry Medley. Moving on to number 7, we have a delicious berry medley. Picture a bowl brimming with a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Each berry is bursting with natural sweetness and is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that help fight off harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants are like little warriors, protecting your cells and supporting your overall health. The bright colors and fresh flavors of the berries make them a treat for your taste buds, as well as a powerhouse snack that strengthens your immune system. Whether you enjoy them on their own, toss them into a salad, or blend them into a smoothie, these berries add a refreshing and nutritious punch to your daily routine. 6. The Veggie Sticks with Hummus. At number 6, we're exploring the wonderful world of veggie sticks with hummus. Imagine crunchy carrot sticks, crisp celery, and vibrant bell pepper slices arranged on a plate, ready to be dipped into a smooth, creamy bowl of hummus. Hummus, made from blended chickpeas, olive oil, and a hint of lemon, is not only rich in protein and fiber, but also provides a satisfying, savory flavor that perfectly complements the fresh crunch of the vegetables. This snack is a great way to add a burst of vitamins and minerals to your day, and it's very easy to prepare. Whether you're looking for a light snack in the afternoon or a healthy appetizer to share with friends, veggie sticks with hummus offer a tasty and nutritious option that helps keep your body fueled and feeling youthful. 5. The Greek Yogurt Parfait. At number 5, we're diving into a delicious Greek yogurt parfait that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to your taste buds. Imagine a glass layered with rich, creamy Greek yogurt, crunchy granola, and a gentle drizzle of honey. Each spoonful offers a smooth, tangy flavor from the yogurt, perfectly balanced by the sweet notes of honey and the satisfying crunch of granola. Greek yogurt is well known for its high protein content and gut-friendly probiotics, which can help keep your digestion on track and your energy levels high. When these ingredients come together in a parfait, they not only create a delightful treat, but also serve as a nutritious snack or light breakfast. Enjoy this parfait on a sunny morning or as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up. It's a versatile snack that's both wholesome and incredibly tasty. 4. The Whole Grain Toast with Avocado. Coming in at number 4, we have a simple yet incredibly satisfying snack: whole grain toast with avocado. Picture a slice of warm, lightly toasted whole grain bread, perfectly crisp on the edges and soft in the middle. Now imagine spreading a generous layer of mashed avocado on top. Avocado, with its creamy texture and mild, buttery taste, is packed with heart-healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. This snack is not only filling, but also offers a balanced mix of fiber and healthy energy. It's perfect for those mornings when you need a quick, nourishing bite, or as an energizing snack any time of the day. You can even add a sprinkle of salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon to bring out even more flavor. This simple combination is a great way to keep your body fueled with nutrients while enjoying every bite. 3. The fruit smoothie. At number 3, we present a refreshing fruit smoothie that's both a treat for your taste buds and a powerhouse of nutrition. Imagine blending your favorite fruits, perhaps a mix of bananas, berries, or mangoes, with a splash of low-fat milk or your preferred dairy-free alternative. The result is a vibrant, velvety drink full of natural sweetness and essential vitamins. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants, fiber, and a host of nutrients that support overall health. It's an ideal choice for a quick breakfast on the go, a post-workout refresher, or simply a satisfying snack between meals. The blend of fruits creates a colorful and inviting drink that not only tastes good, but also helps keep you hydrated and energized throughout the day. Enjoy the fruity freshness and let this smoothie brighten your day. 2. The energy-packed oat bar. At number 2, we have the energy-packed oat bar, a snack that's designed to give you a quick boost of energy when you need it most. Imagine biting into a homemade bar crafted with whole oats, a drizzle of natural honey, and a delightful mix of dried fruits like raisins, cranberries, or apricots. Each bite offers a pleasing chewiness, balanced by the natural sweetness of the honey. The oats provide long-lasting energy and a good dose of fiber to keep you feeling full, while the dried fruits add bursts of tangy and sweet flavors that brighten your day. This snack is perfect for those busy moments when you're on the move, whether you need a fast breakfast before work or an afternoon pick-me-up. It's a simple, wholesome treat that not only fuels your body, but also satisfies your taste buds, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay energized throughout the day. 1. The ultimate super snack, the antioxidant power bowl. And finally, at number 1, we have the crown jewel of our snack secrets, the ultimate super snack, the antioxidant power bowl. Picture a bowl filled with a colorful mix of fresh ingredients that work together to give you an incredible nutrient boost. Start with a bed of tender spinach leaves, which are packed with vitamins and minerals, creating a healthy foundation for this snack. Add a generous serving of plump, juicy blueberries that burst with natural antioxidants, helping to protect your cells and support overall health. To bring in some satisfying crunch and extra protein, sprinkle in a handful of chopped nuts, which also offer healthy fats to keep you feeling energized. Finally, finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, adding a zesty tang that ties all the flavors together perfectly. This vibrant, nutrient-packed bowl not only delights your senses with its burst of colors and flavors, but also supports your heart health, fights inflammation, and keeps your body feeling strong and youthful. Enjoy it as a light meal or a filling snack. The antioxidant power bowl truly makes every bite count. Thank you for joining me on this tasty journey to staying young and vibrant. I hope these snack ideas have inspired you to try something new and give your body a healthy boost. Remember, every small change you make can lead to big improvements in your health and energy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, wholesome tips that can brighten your day. Your support means the world and helps spread the joy of healthy living. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep savoring every bite of life.